let's celebrate Africa, let's celebrate the Yoruba culture, let's celebrate Yoruba heritage. Odua Festival, powered by the Osun State Tourism Board and FTAN. Odua Festival 2024 will feature art and cultural exhibition, sports, entertainment, agricultural display, hospitality, and many more. His Excellency the Governor, Senator Nuruddin Jackson Ademodeleke will host other Southwest Governor in Osun State. His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II Oonirisha is the royal father of the day and will be welcoming other royalties and traditional rulers to this festival. And that's my king. Odua Festival 2024 will come up on Sunday 23rd to Tuesday 25th June 2024 at the Center for Art and Black Culture and International Understanding, Abere Oshogbo, here in Osun State. Come and exhibit your art, come and experience African heritage, come and experience Nigeria in Osun State. Odua Festival 2024, celebrating everything cultural,